Welcome to Practical Statistics for Nursing using SPSS. This video shows how to process the chi-squared test. You can watch the entire video or use the time slider to navigate directly to any time point. Chi-square assesses the association between categorical variables. This example involves two categorical variables, gender and ED entry. Gender contains two categories, female and male. ED entry contains three categories, walk-in, ambulance, and doctor referral. The chi-square will tell us if there's a statistically significant correlation between gender and ED entry. In other words, if the chi-square renders a statistically significant finding, this would indicate that females and males tend to enter the emergency department differently. To satisfy the pretest checklist for chi-square, there should be at least 5 items per cell. We'll be able to verify the cell counts when we run the actual chi-square test. This example uses the dataset CH12 example 01 chi-squared.sav. This dataset contains two categorical variables, the patient's gender and ED entry, the way the patient arrived at the ED. To run the chi-squared test, click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. Move gender to rows and ED entry to columns. Click on Statistics, select chi-squared, and click Continue. Next, click on Cells. We'll be using the default, Observed, which will render the actual counts in each cell. You can also order the data in each cell to be presented in percentages. In this example, for simplicity, we'll select Observed Only. Click Continue. Select Display Clustered Bar Charts. Click OK, and it'll process. As we examine the table, we can see that there are at least 5 elements per cell. This satisfies the pretest criteria. This table suggests that proportionally, females and males enter the ED differently. The real answer lies in the chi-squared test table. Here we see a p-value of 0.009. Since this is less than 0.05, this suggests that there is a statistically significant difference between females and males when it comes to ED entry. These findings are reflected in the corresponding bar chart. This concludes this video.